Hey buddy! This is Online Gadgets. Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for the best in-ear monitors under $100? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best in-ear monitors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Rythflo WD-01 in-ear monitors. The Rythflo WD-01 in-ear monitors with USB-C and mic are high-performance wired earbuds designed for a variety of users. With USB-C connectivity and a built-in microphone, these earbuds offer easy plug-and-play functionality for modern devices. Featuring a balanced hybrid driver, 1BA plus 1DD, they deliver enhanced audio clarity with rich bass and clear vocals. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit, making them suitable for extended listening sessions without discomfort. These in-ear monitors provide exceptional audio performance, thanks to their hybrid driver system. The textured bass and crystal-clear vocals make them ideal for both casual listening and more demanding tasks like gaming or studio work. The noise isolation feature, providing up to 25 dB of reduction, ensures an immersive listening experience. Additionally, the detachable, silver-plated 2-pin cable enhances sound clarity while allowing for easy replacement if needed. USB-C compatibility means you can plug them directly into modern devices without any adapters. And number 2. CCZ Yinyoo Melody in-ear monitors. The CCZ Melody has carved out a unique space in the entry-level in-ear monitor market. By combining a hybrid 1DD plus 1BA, 1 dynamic driver plus 1 balanced armature configuration with a patented ergonomic design, it offers a professional-grade monitoring experience that is equally suited for stage use and high-fidelity casual listening. The Melody lives up to its name by providing a musical, engaging, and well-balanced sound profile. Hybrid driver setup. The 10mm dynamic driver, DD, handles the low end, providing a deep, punchy bass that has weight without being muddy. The balanced armature, BA, is responsible for the mid to high frequencies, delivering the crispness and detail necessary for monitoring vocals and instruments. Hi-fi bass performance. For bass enthusiasts, the Melody provides a satisfying thump that feels physical and energetic. It is well tuned to ensure the bass doesn't bleed into the mids, maintaining clarity for vocalists. Clarity for musicians. Because of the dedicated BA driver, the treble is clear and transparent. This makes it easier for singers and musicians to hear their own pitch and nuances on stage or in the studio. And number 3. Linsoul KZ ZS10 Pro. The Linsoul KZ ZS10 Pro 4BA plus 1DD hybrid in-ear monitors combine cutting-edge hybrid driver technology with a sleek design, offering a refined audio experience. These in-ear monitors feature 4 balanced armature drivers paired with a dynamic driver for a balanced yet powerful sound. Designed for both casual listeners and professionals, they ensure high-quality audio in a wide range of settings. The detachable cable adds convenience and durability, allowing users to upgrade or replace cables as needed, enhancing the product's long-term usability. These hybrid earbuds deliver clear and detailed sound with deep, dynamic lows and extended highs, ensuring an immersive listening experience. With noise isolation up to 26 dB, they effectively block external distractions for better focus. The combination of a stainless steel faceplate and a resin cavity ensures both comfort and durability, making them ideal for prolonged use. Their wide compatibility, including the standard 3.5mm plug, ensures seamless connection with a variety of devices like phones, laptops, and more. And number 4. GEEKOM A5 Mini PC. The CCA-C12 features a 5 balanced armature plus 1 dynamic driver hybrid setup, giving it a wide, coherent sound signature with clear highs, rich mids, and powerful yet controlled bass, an impressive performance for its price range. The hybrid design helps each part of the audio spectrum shine. BAs deliver crisp detail and separation, while the dynamic driver fills out low-end presence. Users and aggregated tests highlight high-resolution sound with excellent ductility and detail retrieval, making classical, pop, rock, electronic, and heavy metal all sound engaging and full-bodied. The sound signature tends to be balanced and refined rather than overly warm or excessively bright. Despite its price tier, the C12 delivers a wide soundstage with solid imaging, letting instruments and vocals sit naturally in the mix. Gamers also report accurate positional cues, making these useful for both music and gaming. Treble tends to be detailed without harshness, avoiding fatigue even during long listening sessions, while mid-range clarity keeps vocals and acoustic instruments well-defined and natural. Some users note that achieving a perfect sound depends on finding a good ear tip seal. And number 5. Shure SE215 Pro Wired Earbuds. The Shure SE215 Pro in-ear monitors are a brilliant budget option, whether you're looking for your first ever monitoring system, a pair of backup IEMs, or just some killer multi-use earphones. For under $100 Shure has nailed the value for money factor, offering great ambient noise canceling, a decent frequency range, and surprising levels of in-ear comfort. Shure has been one of the biggest names in live music gear for as long as we can remember. If you play, sing, or go to live gigs, you've probably heard the sound of a Shure vocal microphone or guitar mic, and while Shure is primarily a microphone manufacturer, they also create some next-level studio headphones and in-ear monitors for us all to enjoy. If an in-ear monitoring system is something you've been considering and you're on a budget, then the Shure SE215 Pros should be very near the top of your list. In fact, they top our list of the best budget in-ear monitors. So, in-ear monitors then. Not to be confused with the humble earphone, a great pair of in-ears will do an awful lot to help you sound and play better.